Hi there, this is Patrick Kramer from Service Software. Today I'm going to be demoing the new features in Restoration Manager 5.0. So when you log in, you'll notice that we have a new site selection page. Not much different, just a little cleaner UI. And you can tell that the overall UI scheme looks a lot different than the previous one. Some major changes that we have are the UI and our document section. We have some new features where you can add multiple documents when uploading now without using a separate tool. Description. And we also added folders, so we can drag and drop or come in here and select multiple, where we can then upload and it'll automatically populate. So we can go into here, we have separate folders, we have a wallpapers folder here, and you can deselect, add a new folder, then you can drag and drop folders into other folders or items out of folders, or add items into folders. You can delete folders and edit folders. There's also previews, a new preview window, where if you click a document, you can preview it, which also has the capability to preview Word documents now. PDFs and Excel, if we have it, which doesn't look like we have one. But everything else functions about the same. It's just a new look and feel. And this is also in the projects or companies and subtext documents as well. And that about wraps up the document features.